show you two highly rated products and kind of go over the differences between the two. So if you're looking for a solution to clean floors, and one of the good things about these is they're rated for different kind of floors: tile, laminate, hardwood, any sealed floor. But the products I want to introduce to you, the one on the left, the green one, is the Bissell, and this is the CrossWave, and both of these are electric. Okay, there is a Bissell that's battery powered. It's not quite as powerful as the one that plugs in. And the one over here is the Shark S7001. But there is a difference between these two. They're not exactly accomplishing the same thing. So let's start with the CrossWave, the green one over there, Bissell CrossWave. What it does, I would like you to think of it as kind of like a vacuum cleaner and a mop at the same time. So it is vacuuming. Okay, if you've got little stuff all over the floor, it's vacuuming it up, but it's also mopping at the same time. Okay, where the Shark, it does not vacuum. It is simply rotating pads around and using steam to clean a surface. Again, with my experience of them, if you're just wanting to like clean a floor that's already clean, you're not worried about vacuuming, I would say the Shark is going to actually probably clean it a little bit better with the steam. Okay, now the Bissell comes with this solution that you can put in there. The Shark is advertised as like chemical-free cleaning, so you can just use the steam to clean it, and I like the way it rotates and everything like that. But if you want the convenience of but you know, with the Shark, you're going to probably want to like sweep your floor first or vacuum it first, because again, it's not sucking up anything. Where the Bissell is actually sucking up the dirty stuff and mopping it at the same time. Okay, and it cleans great too. I'm just kind of telling you my personal experience with it. The Shark's got 3 different levels of steam: low, medium, and high, depending on how much steam you want to use. The CrossWave has like a setting for rugs or a setting for bare floor. So I'm going to demonstrate both of them. All right, first the Bissell CrossWave. 2 settings here. You got a rug and a hardwood. So I'm going to hit the hardwood, and then it has a trigger. If you hit that, it's just going to like be a vacuum cleaner basically. It sounds like a vacuum, it functions like a vacuum, but then when I press the trigger, that's when the water starts flowing. Okay, so push the button and then press the trigger. And now look. Again, what it's doing is it has this clear container. You put your clear water in your solution. It tells you, it's clearly marked where to fill it up to, where the solution and the water. And the clean water comes through, and then the dirty water and your debris comes out in here. And then you can take this off and let your brush dry out. Shark, again, is a little bit different strategy. It's using steam. There's no chemicals involved. I guess you could spray your floor with something if you wanted to, but with the steam, I'm not sure that is necessary. And both of them are not putting out like tons of water on your floor. So that's why probably it says that you can use them on hardwood floors. All right, so here's the Shark. Again, let me just turn it on. It's got 3 modes. We'll just go with medium for now, but you see what it's doing. These detachable pads are just moving around in circles, and it's putting out the steam. Now you can press down a little bit, but it's doing a lot of the work for you when you clean. You can see the amount of steam this thing's putting out, and then the pads, they're real easy. They just pop on and off real easily. It can be thrown in the washing machine to wash them and be ready to go again. 2 different technologies, 2 different ways to clean your floor, both highly rated products. Hope this video has been helpful for you.